Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I cut the crease. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Then I'm going to take the MAC 217 brush and apply the Urban Decay Tinted Eyeshadow on the upper crease. This is going to be my transition color. For the crease, I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Faith Eyeshadow with the MAC 222 brush and blend the two eyeshadows together with the 217 brush. Then I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Lockout shadow on the outer crease with the 222 brush and blend it out. For the lid, I'm going to take the Pro Longwear Concealer in NW25 and apply it with the MAC 242 brush. This is going to help cut the crease. Also create a wing look with the concealer. Then I'm going to take a tiny round brush and apply the Lockout shadow in the crease to make it a little bit darker, but do not blend it. Next, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Blow eyeshadow and apply it on the brow bone and pat the color onto the concealer on the lid, but do not blend it as well. I'm going to brighten my tear ducts with the Blow eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner with a wing look. Then curl my lashes and apply mascara. Also going to apply fake eyelashes and line my waterline. The liquid lipstick I'm using is from Anastasia called Soft Lilac. Last but not least, I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus spray to keep my makeup last all day. Here's the finished look. Hope you all enjoy.